Stop buying cheese sauce from the store. Once you try this homemade version, you'll never want the packaged one again. Melt the butter over medium heat. Add the flour and stir for about a minute. It will form a thick paste. Gradually add the milk while stirring constantly. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes until the sauce thickens. Add the grated cheese and stir until completely melted. Season with salt and black pepper. Just look how thick and creamy it is! It's perfect for potatoes, pasta, burgers, or nachos. If you enjoyed it, subscribe for more easy homemade recipes. Thank you!